You're watching Good Day Maine on Fox 23.
Welcome back to Good Day Maine, and here in front of me are lots of fabulous products, and to tell you why we have these products, we're going to do that right now. More than 66,000 Americans were surveyed for the 4th annual Better Homes and Gardens Best New Product Award, and the results are in this morning. We're taking a look at some of the winners of 2012, but to fill us in more about the winners, beauty expert Rebecca George now joins us from New York City with some more of these winning products. Good morning, Rebecca.
Hi, Jennifer. I'm so excited to share these winners with you today.
Okay, well, we have products from pain relief to anti-aging moisturizers to baby care. A lot to cover this morning, so let's start with moisturizers. What came in tops?
Okay. Well, Better Homes and Gardens, along with BrandSpark, an independent market research firm that conducted the survey, found that about 78% of consumers are really concerned about irritation. And this is a winner for the guys. 2 products from Gillette, their Pro Fusion Irritation Defense Shave Gel and Gillette Fusion Pro Series Irritation Defense Moisturizer. Both of these products really help to reduce the signs of, shave irritation, the bumps, the redness, the tightness that you get, to really keep your skin smooth and hydrated.
Is there a product that consumers can't live without?
Well, we really discovered that a lot of consumers, they want products that they know they can trust, brands that they can really rely on, and they don't necessarily need to run to the department store to find that. This is available at your drugstore from Olay. It's their Olay Regenerist Wrinkle Revolution Complex. Consumers say that it really helped to firm their skin, and it contains Olay moisturizers and also microfillers. So the company claims that it helps to smooth your skin and keep your skin nice and firm, which is such a plus when you're trying to anti-age your face, as I'm always constantly doing.
Well, so what seems to be more important, value or name brands that they can trust?
Name brand is very important. Women and men want products that they know they can really rely on. Some examples from Crest. This is their Crest 3D White Vivid toothpaste, and it helps to remove about 80% of surface stains after just 14 days of use, the company says. And it's really true. I use it. I notice a whiter, brighter smile. This is another example from Pantene. Pantene Color Hair Solutions Color Preserve Shine Conditioner. Women really felt it helps to maintain their hair color as well as boost shine. And another example, Oral-B. This is their Cross Action Pro Health toothbrush. It has a crisscross bristle pattern, and it also contains a built-in tongue cleaner. What's smarter than that? It helps to keep your breath fresh and your mouth really healthy. And people really want to know these products not only are brands that they can trust, but also are going to work.
And you mentioned these are all new products. So are people willing to try new products, or do they sort of stick to the regular ones they've been buying for years?
People are willing to try new products, and what we discovered is a lot of people want to try the newest version, but with brands that they know that they can really rely on. Even with this example, this is from Johnson's Natural. It's a line that's been around forever, but this is their new natural 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which contains natural ingredients, and it's also a No More Tears formula. I remember using No More Tears formulas as a child, and they're still around today.
They seem to be great for any age, too.
A mom can appreciate. You're right. It's true. It doesn't have to be just a baby. And Jennifer, one other example, I don't know if you've ever dealt with an aching back or pulled muscle from working out at the gym.
Yes, absolutely. I've been noticing this relief patch.
It's so cool. This is from Salonpas, their pain relief patch. The company claims that it helps to reduce the feeling of pain for up to 12 hours when you apply it. And I have to tell you, I hurt my back the other day. I applied it. Helped me feel so much better, literally wore it under my clothes and no one knew. So it's pretty sensational that it can do that.
Well, with the temperatures getting a little bit warmer, I'm sure people will be out raking leaves and might need this a little bit later. So thank you, Rebecca, for joining us. Well, have a great rest of the day.